Consider the smooth, creamy texture of mayonnaise, a condiment that elevates anything from a plain sandwich to a gourmet salad dressing. Have you ever wondered how this popular sauce, with its ideal combination of acidity and creaminess, is produced on a large scale? Join us on a tour through the complex process of commercial mayonnaise production, where high-tech technology and exact formulae transform simple ingredients into the smooth, delectable spread we all know and love. Discover the art and science of making your favorite condiment, from selecting the best eggs and oils to sealing each jar perfectly. Before going into the production procedures, it's worth noting mayonnaise's long history. Mayonnaise originated in France and has been part of culinary traditions since the 18th century. It was originally launched as a premium sauce, but due to its versatility and flavor, it has become a popular household item over time. Today, facilities all around the world create mayonnaise in large amounts to meet demand, maintaining uniform quality and taste. Chapter 1. Sourcing quality ingredients. All of the elements that go into making mayonnaise are the essential building blocks. Eggs, oil, vinegar, or lemon juice, salt, and frequently mustard, or other flavorings, are the component parts that make up the fundamental ingredients. One cannot place enough emphasis on the importance of obtaining materials of a good grade when it comes to commercial production. The eggs. The yolks of eggs, in particular, are the most important component of mayonnaise. In order to guarantee both safety and consistency, factories often employ liquid egg yolks that have been pasteurized. These egg yolks come from sources that adhere to stringent quality control standards to ensure that they are fresh and to prevent the likelihood of contamination. The oil. A significant portion of mayonnaise is made up of oil. The majority of the time, factories choose oils that have no discernible flavor, such as soybean, canola, or sunflower oil, because the choice of oil can affect the taste and texture of the finished product. Manufacturers take great care in selecting oils that complement the flavor profile that they want to achieve. The combination of lemon juice and vinegar, the flavor, as well as the emulsification process, are both significantly impacted by these acidic components. There is a harsh tang that is provided by vinegar, which is often white distilled vinegar, and lemon juice lends a fresh, citrusy taste to the dish. Both of these components also serve as preservatives, which allows the mayonnaise to be stored for a longer period of time. Added salt and seasoning. Since salt is necessary for seasoning, it contributes to the general improvement of the flavor of the mayonnaise. The precise recipe and the tastes of the brand both play a role in the addition of additional flavorings, which may include mustard, spices, or herbs. These components are measured with great precision in order to ensure that the flavor of one batch is consistent with the others. Chapter 2. Mixing and emulsification. After sourcing and preparing all of the ingredients, the next critical step is to blend and emulsify them. This process converts the separate ingredients into the creamy and stable combination that distinguishes mayo. Industrial mixers. In factories, massive industrial mixers are used to handle large quantities of ingredients. The process begins with breaking the egg yolks and separating them from the whites. The yolks are then placed in a mixer and mixed with vinegar or lemon juice, salt, and mustard. These materials are blended at high speeds to create a homogeneous basis. Gradual addition of oil. The most important aspect of mayonnaise manufacture is the emulsification process. Emulsification is the process of merging two liquids that do not generally mix, oil and water. To do this, oil is gradually added to the egg mixture in a regulated manner, while the mixer remains at a high speed. This progressive addition is critical. Adding the oil too rapidly may cause the mixture to split, resulting in a divided or runny product. Creating the emulsion. As the oil is added, the high-speed mixing motion breaks it down into small droplets. These droplets become suspended in the egg mixture, resulting in a stable emulsion. The end result is a thick, creamy consistency that distinguishes mayonnaise. Factories utilize precise equipment to monitor the mixing process ensuring that the emulsion is stable and the texture is uniform. Chapter 3. Adding stabilizers and flavorings. Additional components, which are referred to as stabilizers, are added to the mayonnaise in order to improve its consistency and stability. These components contribute to the preservation of the emulsion, which helps to keep the oil and water from becoming separated over time. Stabilizers. Xanthan gum, modified starches, and occasionally guar gum are examples of common stabilizers on the market today. To guarantee that the mayonnaise has a smooth and consistent consistency, these ingredients are carefully mixed into the mayonnaise. The shelf life of the product is also influenced by stabilizers, which ensure that the product will continue to be spreadable and creamy for a longer amount of time. The flavorings. In this stage, extra flavorings can be added to the mayonnaise to create a variety of flavor profiles. As an illustration, sugar can be included in order to produce a more sweet flavor profile, and herbs and spices can be incorporated in order to make flavored variants such as garlic mayonnaise or spicy mayonnaise. The precise proportions of flavorings and stabilizers used in a product are determined by the recipe written by the manufacturer, as well as the qualities that are wanted in the final product. Chapter 4. Packaging and quality control. The final steps in the factory production of mayonnaise involve packaging the product and ensuring it meets stringent quality control standards. These steps are crucial for delivering a safe, high-quality product to consumers. Packaging. Once the mayonnaise has been thoroughly mixed and stabilized, it is transferred to packaging machines. These machines are designed to fill containers with precise amounts of mayonnaise, minimizing waste and ensuring consistency. Containers can range from small jars and squeeze bottles for retail consumers to large tubs for food service industries. After filling, the containers are sealed to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. The sealing process is followed by labeling, where each container is marked with information such as the brand name, ingredients, nutritional information, and expiration date. Automated systems ensure that each package is accurately labeled and ready for distribution. Quality control is a critical aspect of mayonnaise production. Throughout the manufacturing process, samples of the mayonnaise are regularly tested for factors such as texture, flavor, pH levels, and microbial safety. These tests ensure that the product meets the company's standards and regulatory requirements. Any batch that fails to meet these standards is rejected and reprocessed to maintain the integrity of the final product. Distribution. Once packaged and approved, the mayonnaise is stored in temperature-controlled warehouses before being shipped to distributors, retailers, and food service providers. Efficient logistics ensure that the product reaches consumers in optimal condition, ready to enhance a variety of dishes. The journey of mayonnaise, from raw ingredients to a beloved condiment, involves careful steps, including sourcing the finest ingredients, precise mixing, adding stabilizers and flavorings, and rigorous quality control. This process blends art and science, ensuring a creamy delight on your table. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm off to savor a spoonful of our creamy creation. Yum! Perfection in every bite.